Welcome back to Power Drive. Today, we're diving into something truly exciting of the 2025 Gulmohar Rickshaw. This is not just another electric rickshaw, it's a game changer in the world of urban mobility. Whether you're an auto driver looking for an upgrade, an investor in EVs, or just someone curious about the future of transportation, this video is for you. Let's start with the design. The Gulmohar 2025 is sleek, modern, and built for both comfort and efficiency. The body is lightweight yet sturdy, ensuring durability without compromising on performance. The aerodynamic shape reduces drag, making the ride smoother and more energy efficient. The front fascia has a futuristic look, with LED headlights that provide better visibility while consuming less power. Now, let's talk about the motor. This rickshaw comes with a high-torque electric motor that delivers instant acceleration, making city rides effortless. The motor is paired with a long-lasting lithium-ion battery, which is a major upgrade from the traditional lead-acid batteries found in older models. The battery can be fully charged in about 4 to 5 hours and provides a range of up to 150 kilometers on a single charge, perfect for a full day's work without worrying about running out of power. Charging is super convenient. You can charge it at home using a regular power socket or at one of the many fast charging stations that are popping up across cities. With fast charging, you can get up to 80% battery in just 1.5 hours, which means less downtime and more earnings for drivers. Let's move on to the interior and comfort. The cabin is spacious and well ventilated, making it comfortable for both the driver and passengers. The seats are made with high-density foam, ensuring a fatigue-free experience during long hours of operation. Plus, the suspension system has been upgraded to handle rough roads, so passengers get a smoother, bump-free ride. Safety is another key highlight. The 2025 Gulmohar Rickshaw comes equipped with disc brakes in the front and drum brakes at the rear, offering excellent stopping power. There's also a regenerative braking system, which not only improves braking efficiency but also helps recharge the battery while slowing down. Other safety features include a reinforced chassis, seat belts, and even an anti-theft alarm system to protect your investment. Now, let's talk about cost and savings. Since this is an electric vehicle, you'll save a lot on fuel costs compared to a traditional petrol or CNG rickshaw. The Gulmohar 2025 is 80% cheaper to run per kilometer. Plus, with fewer moving parts, maintenance costs are also significantly lower. No more frequent oil changes, no clutch replacements, and no exhaust emissions, so just smooth, eco-friendly driving. Speaking of the environment, this rickshaw is a zero-emission vehicle, meaning it doesn't contribute to air pollution. With cities pushing for greener transport solutions, switching to electric rickshaws isn't just good for buzziness it's good for the planet too. Another major plus is the smart dashboard. The digital display provides real-time updates on battery status, speed, range, and even GPS navigation. Some models even come with Bluetooth connectivity and mobile charging ports, making it a truly modern ride. For those considering buying this rickshaw, the government is offering subsidies and low-interest loans to promote EV adoption. Depending on your location, you might get a discount of up to 30% on the price, making it an even better deal. So, should you buy the 2025 Gulmohar Rickshaw? If you're looking for a cost-effective, eco-friendly, and future-ready electric rickshaw, this is one of the best options in the market right now. It's packed with features, offers excellent mileage, and helps you save money in the long run. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Power Drive for more updates on the latest electric vehicles and innovations in the auto industry. Let me know in the comments what you think about the 2025 Gulmohar Rickshaw. Would you buy one? See you in the next video.